Welcome back, treasures, to another unboxing for Inked Goddess Creations. Now the box is different this time. It's just a plain white standard box when it's usually in a branded box. So let's see what's inside and what else may be different this month. This is the July 2021 box, which is Head Witch in Charge. Okay, being a boss witch doesn't just apply to those who work for themselves. Owning your power and taking control of your life is achievable by anyone, regardless of career. This month's Inked Goddess Creations box contains items to help you build your personal power for success in your life. I see our tissue this month is a pale kind of off-white color. It might look white on here, but you can see compared to the actual box, it's not really white. And what do we have? We're going to set it kind of to the side here so we can see. I have a candle that looked like it might have melted a little bit in the shipping. It is, I can't really tell from that smell, so let's read our back of our card and see exactly what it is this month. It is a personal power votive candle, a blend of lemongrass, chamomile, patchouli, and dragon's blood to help activate your solar plexus chakra for confidence and strength. The smell is not quite as strong as it usually is. Let's see, what is this? Boss Witch Strength and Empowering Ritual Perfume Oil. A roller sample of our newest witchy oil, a blend of dragon's blood, cedarwood, geranium, and mandarin to help awaken your personal power and take control. Ooh, what a pretty bracelet. Solar Plexus Gemstone Bracelet. Made of natural agate, this bracelet can help open and balance your solar plexus chakra, which is the seat of your personal power. Wear it to help build self-confidence and calm and center when you need it most. It's very pretty. We have some Old Pueblo Essentials Head Witch in Charge soap. Looks like it's by Bath & Body. Ingredients: water, palm oil, canola oil, coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, castor oil, mango butter, shea butter, sodium hydroxide, sodium lactate, honey, yogurt, advanced charcoal, silk, fragrance, and mica colorant. A sample bar blended with notes of forest, soft berries, and musk to help raise your witchy vibes. That smells really good. Let's see what else we have. We have the expansion pack for the Eclectic Witch Deck. And as I open this, let's see what we have in here. If I can get in there. It's an expansion pack about the 7 chakras to help empower your energetic knowledge. So we have chakras, one on the chakra placement, talking about where all your chakras are, then probably one for each chakra. So we have the root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, which is what our bracelet was with, the heart chakra, the throat chakra, the third eye chakra, and the crown chakra. So that is a nice addition to our Eclectic Witch Deck. And it looks like we have another set of cards. They're a little different than normal. It is a Witchy Affirmation and Simple Spell Cards deck. It's a little harder to get open. Let me get my trusty scissors out here and just snip off some of that end. See if we can dive in. Go. So it is a deck that feels with that nice kind of, you want to pet it, softness to the back of the card, and it's a very just paper print on the front of the card, and so it has different affirmations for you to say that can help bless you in your journey. These are lovely, and the artwork on them is great as well. So very nice. So little witchy affirmation cards. And it looks like we have one more thing, a box in the box. What is this we have? Okay, we have a quartz and black tourmaline gemstone generator. So very pretty, nice chunk of kind of a raw quartz in the middle, and then we have these tourmaline pieces on each one here at the end. This combination of gemstones helps keep energy balanced in your sacred space, your office. Place it on your desk or your home. Tourmaline also protects you from negative energy, while clear quartz amplifies the positive energy of a space. Well, that is perfect. I needed that very much. And as always, there is a card included that reveals the theme of the next month's box, and it looks like August 2021 is going to be focused on the divine masculine. So be sure to check back and let's see what's in that box as well. Thank you for joining me today. Let me know what you think about all of these items in the box and if you think it's worth it or not. This box runs about $32 to $40-ish depending on which pricing package you get. And if you're buying one box at a time, then you do have to pay shipping, I believe. But if you buy one of their subscription services, then shipping is free. Thank you for joining me, and you have a wonderful witchy day.